Hi, everybody. It's day 2 of the Slay in 30 Days Organizing Challenge. So, today we're going to work on our closet. Yes, your closet. Now, I always say closets are the window into your mental health. So, the way your closet looks is the way your mind looks. Your closet, and the reason why we say your closet is because that's something that you use throughout the day. That's something you use every single day. Every single day, you're either going in your closet for something. Whatever it is, you're going in your closet for it. So, your closets really are the window into your mental health. So, let's go check out my closet. You guys, so we're in my closet. As you already know, that we downsized we downsized. So now we have less space than we had before. And I kind of just took everything out of bags, threw them all over the place just for my test for my family. So now I'm ready to organize and get it together. So today's day 2, and we're going to purge our closet and really declutter on the things that we no longer use anymore. I bought these things, as you can see up here. We have a lot of space that can be utilized, but it's like, how do you use it when it's all the way up at the top? So I bought these things from the dollar store, you guys. This is going to be a great space saver. It's going to be easy to reach and get to when you need to get to it. You can just take it from up there, pull it down, go through it, find what you need to find, put it back up. Easy breezy, not too hard. So what I would do with these bins, if you do decide to go the bin route and get bins like this, you can take your shirt and roll them. Instead of having them flat, you can roll them, or you can keep them in the folded and have it folded in there. But I think the rolling will actually save on space. It will save you on space and time as far as finding what you need to find and going ahead and grabbing it. So this is the rolling method. So you just roll the shirt and you put it in there, and you will basically almost like a file system. You'll file it according to the colors, and then you can do a bin with short sleeves, you can do a bin with sleeveless, you can do a bin with long sleeve. So that way everything has a category. Every thing, you have similar items in one bin. You don't have shirts with the short sleeves with the long sleeves. And it's not all mixed in. It's actually organized, and it's easy for you to just get down from the top shelf, go through it. I need a purple shirt, find my purple shirt. I need a green or teal shirt, find my teal shirt, and keep it moving. Also, one thing I wanted to say about the closet, you guys, if you have a closet wall space, utilize your wall space. So if I'm a hat person, what I would do is I will get hooks and I will put it on the wall and hang it. So like for my purses, I'll just hang it up there on the hook. So now I can see my purse. I can just go in the closet, grab a purse, switch out my purse to whichever one I'm switching it out to, and it's done. I don't have to go through, find my purse. Where is it? Where's this purse? All my purses on the wall. And same thing with your hats, your ties, anything like that. Another method for my guys out there, if you don't want to go to the store and buy, they have tie hangers that's made for ties, but if you want to save on money, you can just use a regular hanger. You don't have to get the tie hangers. You can use the regular hangers and just tie them on and just lay them over, and you can see your ties just as well as anybody else. For getting rid of things and you're purging, I want you to think about this one thing. How can this item help me get to where I want to be when it comes to organization? How can this item help me live the life that I want to live without being stressed out, without being overwhelmed? Would this add to me being overwhelmed or take away from it? So if you have a lot of clothes and you know it's just too much, we really wear 20% of the clothes in our closet. Remember, if you haven't worn it in 6 to 12 months, it gotta go. We know we want to get back into that size 4, back into that size 7 or 8, but who is to say? You might be a 6 now. You might be a 2 after you get done working out. If you haven't done it in the last 6 to 12 months, you might find a cuter outfit besides that. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. Somebody else can use it. Somebody else might have a new interview for a new position tomorrow, and your outfit is the outfit that they've probably been looking for, that's in your closet that you haven't worn before. So day 2, you guys, closet. Let's make sure that we keep our mental health in check by keeping our closet in order.